On the last episode of my wild and wacky motorcycle adventure, I found myself in a scene straight out of a Disney movie. If Disney produced horror, that is. As a band of local wildlife decided to turn into petty thieves and run off with my food in the middle of the night.
I did not sleep well last night at all. I slept so badly. I could hear animals creeping around my tent all night long. And the fact that my biscuits are gone this morning because I stupidly left them in the entrance instead of bringing them in the tent. It was definitely animals. They're my biscuits. But look at the sunrise. We are watching the sunrise from the mountains in Norway.
Good morning, Sprockerinos. Today is a big day. It's going to be a really big day. We've got about an hour until the petrol station. Oh, it's hot already. Hour until the petrol station, and then 6 hours of riding until we get to the national park just outside Ålesund. Whew, sweating already, guys, sweating already. Yes, we have 2 bars of fuel. Oh, what a way to wake up, eh? Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that view. Oh, what a way to wake up. What a way to wake up in the morning. I wish every day could be like this.
As dawn drifted away and the sun climbed higher, I loaded up my bike and set off into the heart of the forest en route towards the direction of Ålesund. The forest was a riot of ancient green trees towering over me, and understory plants carpeted the forest floor, their leaves rustling gently in the breeze like whispering secrets. The further I rode, the more the terrain changed subtly, from dense woodlands to sparse clusters of silver birch, with mountains singing in the distance. And my goal for today was to get over the RV13 Serpentine road, which was near Viking, a road so twisty it makes a pretzel look straight. Emerging from the forest, I was greeted with a dramatic change of scenery, and the lush greenery gave way to landscapes dominated by towering mountains. And I had finally arrived at the RV13 Serpentine road.
Okay, so the sun has come out. The weather is taking a turn for the better. We've got all the way to there. It's looking really grim. We have a little while until our next stop. And look what I got! Freshly baked! It's still warm. Oh my god, this is amazing. I don't know what it is, but she said it has chocolate in it. And I'm so excited.
One of the most magical things about this road is finally reaching the top of it. There are so many amazing experiences that come with motorcycle touring. However, it's often the case that our experiences are short and swift. Just as I had made my way up the mountain, I had to make my way back down again. Life on the road in some ways is slow and rustic, but also rarely slow pace. As I started to ride onwards, I also started to realise that I was having more successful days on the road than I was disasters. But I couldn't help but wonder if it was mostly down to being so far out of my comfort zone that I was taking less risks. Whatever it was, I definitely felt different on this journey. I couldn't quite shake the growing feeling inside of me that something was new, or perhaps not quite right. And every time I looked far into the mountains, I couldn't help shake the feeling, like the faint shadow of being almost everywhere all at once, and yet somehow stood in the same place. Of course, tiredness can have a profound impact on how we perceive the world, especially when we're on the road, and I'd been travelling for some time now. Luckily for me, I decided to spend the evening in a campsite so that I could shower and wash my clothes, and it wasn't just any campsite, it was possibly the most beautiful campsite in all of Norway.
I'm very tired. We are 7 days in, and I've only just passed Trondheim. We've still got like so far to go, but it's fine. I've worked out it's going to take me about 8 days to get home motorway, so the plan is I'm going to take my time going up. I'm going to do like another 6 days getting to top, and then I will last it home in time for work. See?
was completely my fault.